Your win against Ginebra naman.
Ganda ng nilalaro ng NLEX ngayon. So, medyo uh, we're taking it very seriously kasi tingin ko they will figure in the in the fight for the playoffs. So, crucial yung tatalunin mo sila, especially kung tie kami. Uh, strategic siya in terms of getting into the right positioning, no, for the next round. Also, maganda yung pagkakamold ni Coach Jong, no, dun sa team. Mukhang maganda yung chemistry nila ngayon. Magaling yung import nila. So that's an additional concern for us. Kasi tinalo namin to sa All Filipino, medyo comfortable eh. But I don't think tomorrow it's going to be a comfortable game for us. We will have to struggle through this game and have to fight through this. Also, we want to keep our momentum going. Gusto namin pangalagaan yung streak namin. Maganda rin yung nilalaro ng import tsaka ng mga rookies namin. So it's one way to get us going into achieving our objective of winning 6 games ASAP. Tingin ko ang magic number dito is 6 games. And then after that, you just see where things will take you. So yun lang ang nasa isip namin.
Coach, parang mas marami pang na-impress kay Demete after he led your team to victory, especially in the fourth against Ginebra. Ikaw, Coach, how would you describe yung performance niya nung fourth quarter, especially?
Alam mo, may nakita talaga kami kay Felix nung una pa, no. So, maraming nagtanong bakit siya pinili, maraming nagulat. Pero I think this is proof na tama rin yung desisyon namin. No? Pero ang inaano ko rito is sa kabila naman, I don't think you can judge yung Ginebra at specifically si RJ on the one game that he played. Magaling talaga yung batang yun. Siguro hindi lang niya nakuha agad yung laro niya. Pero I have no doubt he will succeed and he will dominate. Naswertihan lang namin on an off night.